we just tasted this, and till now we don't know what this is, but maybe some vegetarian stuff. What is this? Who can answer me?
Can the real culprit please raise their hand?
I think that's mine.
You
You think it's
again.
yours again?
Yeah,
You
that would
again.
be me again.
You got a
Okay,
double?
please come up.
All right, come on, come on.
Which one? Which one?
蓝眼泪吗?
蓝眼
Yeah,
泪.
蓝眼泪.
蓝眼泪, the blue
I think
tears.
this is mazu herbal tea.
It kind of was, it has like a licorice aftertaste when I tried it.
Oh my God, so much beer. Yes. What a day.
The day of days.
Right, this is very interesting.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Wait, mind the head, but hey, we can see the bluish beer here. How come he
I can
was
pour better. I can pour better.
yeah.
That just surprised me. It just scared me.
Because I wanted to make a beer that would represent my image of mazu. And what's the most famous thing in mazu? 蓝眼泪.
the blue tears of Matsu.
Yes. So that's why I decided to brew a blue beer, which and supposedly there's supposed to be a little bit glitter inside.
Glitter!
Yes. So it
I
will
cannot see, I
shine.
can only see the head.
My bad. It's my fault.
Maybe it's on
The bottom of the bill.
yes.
Okay, so I'll give it a little gentle swirl.
Yeah.
But have you tasted it yet?
No.
Go for it. It's like chuck you down.
Thank you, Patty. Ooh.
Interesting.
Yes, very.
It's very floral, fruity.
No. Yes. No.
Yes.
Hoppy. There's
Yeah.
there's a bit of a hoppiness to
Yes.
it. It's
Okay.
kind of got that nice bitterness, so it's kind of crisp.
And
But it-
some meaty.
Yeah, and meaty, right?
Minty.
Minty.
Oh, minty.
Yeah, yeah.
Doug.
What do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot, actually.
People love it so much, I was really surprised. Because
Yes.
when I brewed this beer, I wasn't very confident. Because I was like, who wants to drink this?
I
Right.
do.
I do.
Yeah,
It's
apparently people
magical.
do.
It's kind of magical and
Right.
fantastical.
Magical and fantastical.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Daisy.
Daisy. Thank you so
nice.
much. This is the first time I drank this much beer at work.
I think life is good.
Life is really good.
This is the first time I drink this little beer at work.
I need your job. I need to start making beer.
Red, come on, let's taste your beer.
Which one is yours?
Come
Come
on,
on up,
come
come on
on.
up, come on up.